Alright ladies, this video is how to use the Ooops Remover, and I'm going to remove the blue-red color, which is a bright red tone, which it normally takes a little bit longer for us to remove this color. So here I'm applying the Ooops Remover on my hand and then onto my lips. The reason I'm applying it on my hand instead of using the wand is because blue-red is not the only color I use, and I do not want my wand to be all colorful. So that's mainly the reason. Now I wait a couple minutes, and then I rub my lips together. I rub my lips really good together so that way it spreads. And then I use a cotton circle to remove the color. And then you can see how the color came out. Now some people like to use, in this case I'm using a second time. Actually in this video I used the Ooops Remover 3 times, and here I feel my lips already kind of sticky. That's because there is no gloss anymore. I just have the color on my lips, and as you can see the color's already coming out even on my finger, and actually also onto my hand. So that's how powerful this Ooops Remover is. And then what you do is you just grab your circle, cotton circle, and wipe it off. There, gone. Now I'm going to do it again on my lips. Now remember that we normally put 3 layers of color on our lips, and that's the reason we recommend to use the Ooops Remover at least 3 times. Now some colors don't require that. In this case, blue-red, it's the one that you will need to do it at least 3 times. There, see, I still have some more colors, so that's my last and 3rd time that I'm going to use the Ooops Remover. Now, what I like about the Ooops Remover is that even when I try to use other makeup remover, my lips feel very dry, and with the Ooops Remover, my lips feel pretty moist. I mean, they don't feel dry at all. So there, I'm just waiting. Rub them together, and then wipe it off. And that's it, ladies. So finally here, my color is actually gone. Now I use different cotton circles, of course, new ones every time that I wipe off. And there it is. Now remember, it's a little bit longer because it's blue-red, not in the other colors. Hope you like this.